Okay, so y'all want a hair tutorial. Now, I am not a hair tutorial kind of person, but here we go. This is just my bed head. I woke up. It's kind of like lasagna. I will say this, my hair does better maybe like a day or two after washing off. First thing I do is wet it. Hold on, let me wet it a little bit. And the back part's where I really have to be careful because I'll get this flat spot on my head and I can't see it. And sometimes I forget to fix that part and I have this like smooshed part in the back. It's by Bumble and Bumble. This is not an ad for them. This is just what I use. And when the first time I do my hair, when I just washed it, I use this one. It's kind of like pasty looking stuff. And I'm not saying this is the way you're supposed to do it. This is just how I fix my hair because y'all are asking. I rub this together and I put it in my hair like this. And now you see it's just kind of sticking up everywhere, right? The sides to go down a little bit. Take a brush and just I kind of flip it so it doesn't stand straight up. And I let it get to, it's not good enough. I want it to go back a little bit so it kind of curves down. I don't know if I'm using all the right hair words or not, but I don't like it to stick straight up like Billy Idol. If you're old like me, you know who that is. If you're young, Google him and you'll see what I'm talking about. And it just depends on my mood. Sometimes I do like it to stand up a little bit more. Sometimes I'm feeling a little bit conservative and I want it to like curl down a little bit more. Y'all tell me I need one of these. I have one of these. Why am I so red? I don't like using this. It always gets stuck and then I can't get it out, so I prefer using this kind of brush. My stylist is going to totally get a kick out of me doing a hair tutorial video. I'm going to put a little bit of this in there. I like it to have a little bit of shine, if that makes sense, and this part puts the shine in it. Again, I don't know the ratio. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. This is what I do. This is how I fix my hair. Hold on, let me get that down a little bit. I'm wearing a hoodie. I don't normally have this shirt tucked in like this. I'm gonna put a hoodie on, so don't make fun of that. It's not my final outfit. That's it. That's my hair. It normally doesn't take as long, but I was a little nervous since I was making a tutorial.